Hello friends, welcome to a new chapter today. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the synthesis of noradrenaline and different drugs which act during the pathway of synthesis of noradrenaline. So, first tyrosine. Tyrosine enters into the presynaptic neuron. Look, this is the presynaptic neuron, this is the synapse, and this is the postsynaptic neuron. This tyrosine enters the presynaptic neuron with the help of the transporter. Now, this tyrosine, in the presence of the enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase, it forms L-dopa. This levodopa or L-dopa. This L-dopa, in the presence of dopa decarboxylase, it forms dopamine. This dopamine enters the vesicle. Okay, now in the vesicle, dopamine gets converted to noradrenaline in the presence of the enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase. Dopamine, in the presence of the enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase, it forms noradrenaline, which undergoes exocytosis and enters the synapse. In the synapse, it can act on alpha-1 receptor or alpha-2 receptor present on the presynaptic neuron, alpha-1 receptor in the postsynaptic neuron, or any beta receptor, beta-1, beta-2, beta-3 receptors present on the postsynaptic neuron. And some of this noradrenaline also undergoes uptake, that is, this is taken up by the presynaptic neuron with the help of the transporter, norepinephrine transporter. Right? Now, this is the uptake. Production and uptake and breakdown of noradrenaline. Now we'll see the drugs which are involved here. The drug mid-tyrosine will inhibit the uptake of tyrosine. Mid-tyrosine, see the name itself says mid-tyrosine. Tyrosine is, it inhibits tyrosine uptake, right? Next, the drug carbidopa inhibits the enzyme dopa decarboxylase and thus inhibits the conversion of L-dopa to dopamine. Then the drug reserpine inhibits the dopa uptake into the vesicles. So it will inhibit the uptake of dopamine into the vesicle. Now, this release of noradrenaline, this is inhibited by the drugs guanethidine and bretylium. These drugs, guanethidine and bretylium, inhibit the noradrenaline release. Right? So this is about the different drugs acting on the different drugs which are acting on the noradrenaline synthesis and release and uptake. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. In the next class, we will learn about the actions. Thank you.